What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, I've been visiting hospitals lately, and I got some interesting information from one of the hospitals that I didn't know, and that was about a competitor's product and the fact that there's different revisions of software. And if you get an older version of that test device, you can't use automation testing with it. And because of that, you have to buy a new device. And I was really kind of curious about that. I'm hoping that it's just bad information, but regardless, I'm here to give you guys the correct information about BC products. I just opened this guy right here. This is a 1040 NIBP. It also does fetal and it does cardiac output. This is a fantastic device. This is the latest and greatest version of the firmware, and it also has Bluetooth integrated inside it. But what if you have older BC products? Well, I did not know this, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. They already have a solution for that. Let's check it out.
I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and X-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com.
Folks, I just opened up a box and I got this brand new 1040. This is the BC NIBP 1040. It's a blood pressure, it does ECG, it does cardiac output, and it also does fetal. It does a whole bunch of stuff. This thing is actually pretty complex. Simple interface, but very complex. It's got all sorts of features. However, this one has Bluetooth. And a lot of the other ones, the 1030, 1020, 1010, you might have an older version that doesn't have Bluetooth. So what do you do? And I was actually asking this question because I'm helping customers get ready for BC Connect, which is going to release here in probably the next month. And it is, imagine like an all-in-one software that can store your data, and it can also share tests. So let's say you create a test, an automated test for a particular model of test equipment. Well, maybe you want to have access to this as well, and you have older hardware. How do you make that happen? Well, BC already kind of has that figured out. So if you have an older BC product and you want to enable Bluetooth on that older product, we already have it figured out. Look at this. I have a complete collection of these things. We've got DB9 connectors. I've got USB connectors. I've got mini DIN serial. So if you have an older BC product, go ahead and reach out to me. This here is for a customer's account, so we can get them back up and going and upgrade their older products to the latest and greatest so that they can start utilizing BC Connect immediately and take advantage of things like the open source marketplace where you can share your tests with people around the world, which is kind of crazy, but at the same time, you can download tests from people around the world. So if somebody has got a particular model of patient monitor or whatever figured out, you can go on there, you can look up by model, and you can download that test, and you can start testing within the hour. But in order to utilize the BC mobile app correctly, Bluetooth, highly suggested. So you could buy the latest and greatest test equipment, or we can refit your old stuff. Just reach out to me, jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com, and I will go ahead and get you hooked up. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.